In this clip, we're going to talk about the proper service procedure for removing and replacing a front strut on a front-wheel drive vehicle. In this step, we're going to talk about the proper service procedure for removing our brake hose, retaining clip, and the mounting bolt for our anti-lock wheel speed sensor. This is our brake hose, and it runs from the body as a steel line into this rubber hose. Comes down around here and clips to an ear on the strut. From there it goes into the caliper. In order to change the strut, we're going to need to disconnect that hose. My tool of preference for these hose clips are repair dikes. You can get an amazing amount of grip from the sharp edges on these dikes. Now, being that this is made out of a hardened spring steel, you don't have to worry about cutting into it with the edges of your dikes. Just take and grab a hold of it and jerk it out of position. Just like so. Your new strut is not going to come with a replacement brake hose clip, so you're going to want to throw this in your magnetic tray for later reinstallation. Once you have the clip out of the way, you can take and wiggle your brake hose out of its retaining slot right there. From here, we have our anti-lock wheel speed sensor wire. Now this wire is mounted to the strut as well, right here on this side, by a 12mm bolt. I'm going to take my 12mm socket and my 3/8 ratchet and go ahead and remove the bolt. It's your typical lefty-loosey, righty-tighty kind of bolt. Go ahead and slip right on there. You're going to want to take care with these bolts because they are very small. Being at the location that they're in, they're exposed to road debris, salt, slime, and things of that nature. They can get excessively corroded. If it is excessively corroded, you're not going to want to reef on it too hard and break it. You're going to want to take your time and work the bolt back and forth, apply WD-40 or even some heat to it to get it out in one piece. I'm going to slip my bolt off the wire, just like so. Your new strut is not going to come with a replacement, so make sure to put this in your magnetic tray for later reinstallation. Now that is the proper service procedure for removing your brake hose retaining clip and the wheel speed sensor wire mounting bolt.